See, I have run the code and I will click on the run command. See, and the 4 options are here. First, I will click on the study of LTI system. See, and when clicking on the LTI system, there's 2 input signals are there. Let's input sine of t, and the other is cos of t. And for the checking of linearity, system is not linear. Okay. And checking stability, system is stable. Okay. First part is done. Okay. Then we'll click on impulse response. See, impulse response. So here is the single function is already been inputted, and the time minimum is now if it is not input, then we can also give input sine of 2 into pi into t. Tick. And here the t minimum is -5 and t maximum is 5. Then I click on the plot impulse response. The impulse response has been plotted. Okay. Now I will go to the third options, convolution. Okay. See, in the convolution, the input functions are there and the function selection is also there. If I will click on the custom, no, I will go with sine 2 into pi into t, and here exponentially minus t. Okay. Then after doing this, I can select, I have 2 options, and the time minimum range is -5 to 5. Here you can see also see and the if it is not there, we can also input signal function by customized manner. Here is a custom. By clicking on the custom, you can also input this, but I don't want to do this. I can select like this only. So now by clicking on the perform convolution, wait, convolution is being done. This is input function, this is intermediate functions, and this is the convolution result. Okay. Now there are 3 animation control is there. That we can do the 3D rotate, invert, but I will not do this and animate. Also there web resources. When you click on the web resources, you will go to this web YouTube channel, but I don't have internet connection, so that's why I have to go there. And if I'll click on the close, this will closed. Okay. Now go to the last thing, filtering effects and frequency response. Okay. The frequency. Then first I will upload the file. I will click from open. Now see, as I have selected band pass filter and all things are the design method, I have Butterworth, I have selected, and then after clicking on the calculate frequency response, get this thing. Okay. Thank you for your